Good morning, students. Today I would like to tell you about the repetition of the article. If I say I have a black and white dog, in these two adjectives are there, black and white, and I have used a with only first one adjective, that is black. It means I have one dog that is partially black and white. But if I will say I have a black and a white dog, now in this sentence I have used a with both adjectives black and white. It means I have two dogs, one is of black color and second is of white color. Listen again. If I say I have a black and white dog, I mean a dog that is partly black and partly white. But if I say I have a black and a white dog, it means or I mean two dogs are there, one black and other white. Hence, when two or more adjectives qualify the same noun, the article is used before the first adjective only. But when they qualify different nouns expressed or understood, the article is formally used before each adjectives. Like compare another sentences now. The secretary and director is absent. The secretary and the director are absent. Now the first sentence clearly indicates that the post of secretary and director are held by one person. The repetition of article in the second sentence indicates that the two posts are held by two different persons. Like the secretary and director, it means only one person because I have used article with secretary only. The secretary and the director, it means secretary is a different person, director is a different person. Hence, we see that when two or more connected nouns refer to the same person or thing, the article is ordinarily used before the first only. But when two or more connected nouns refer to different purposes, persons or things, the article is used before each. Listen this line again. We see that when two or more connected nouns refer to the same person or thing, when two or more connected nouns refer to the same person or thing, the article is ordinarily used before the first only. The article is ordinarily used before the first one only. But when two or more connected nouns refer to the different person or thing, the article is used before each. Now examine the sentences. Sir Surendranath was a great orator and statesman. There are on the committee among others, a great economist and a great lawyer. Again I am speaking these two sentences. Sir Surendranath was a great orator and statesman. There are on the committee among others and a great economist, a great lawyer. In the committee, economists are there and lawyers are there. And Surendranath has both qualities. He is an orator also and statesman also. We may either say the third and the fourth chapter or the third and fourth chapters. In expressing, if I will say in the third and the fourth, then chapter will come. If I will say the third and fourth, then chapters will come. In expressing a comparison, if two nouns refer to the same person or thing, the article is used before the first noun only. Normally we use article before the first noun. He is better mechanic than clerk. He is a better poet than the novelist. He is a better thinker than debater. Means he thinks, he doesn't debate. He would make a better engineer than lawyer. Again listen. In expressing a comparison, if two nouns refer to same person or thing, the article is used before the first noun only, like he is a better mechanic than clerk. Thank you.